Good evening, everybody. It is Tuesday evening, and I've got Wednesday's forecast, your temps and your SPC outlook. And yes, we will probably have some rain or thunderstorms, and we'll get to that here in a second. And we'll look at a couple of different models. So let's get with our get to our highs for tomorrow. It looks like around 82 to 83 in most of Randolph County. Perry Roach are 84, with our lows being around 68 to 69. And around the nation, it looks like Los Angeles 93, Phoenix 109, Lubbock 100, Dallas 103, 87 down here in Miami, New York 85, Chicago 73. Minneapolis 82, Denver 90, St. Louis 82, and we get up here to Seattle 78 and Spokane 90. Guys, the real field temperatures for tomorrow, your heat index, anywhere from Oklahoma and Arkansas all the way down to Houston and around New Orleans and Miami up to Charleston. You guys will be having heat indexes in the 100 plus. To include Las Vegas, parts of Southern California, and Phoenix for tomorrow. So, guys, you guys are in a little bit of a heat dome right there, from Oklahoma and Arkansas all the way down to the Gulf. Let's get to our SPC outlook. So, anywhere from Phoenix to North Dakota, it looks like part of the New England states, all the way to around Tennessee, New Orleans, and down here in and around Miami and going up to Virginia Beach. Anywhere in this light color area, guys, you'd be having general thunder, to include Salt Lake City. Our marginal risk for severe weather would be around the Phoenix and Tucson area, and anywhere from Santa Rosa here in New Mexico, going all the way to Aberdeen in South Dakota, going to Kansas City, all the way to Nashville. If you're in that green, guys, you're in a marginal risk. We do have a slight severe weather risk from Joplin all the way to Clarksville, Tennessee, and anywhere from Farmington and Randolph County, Festus and Jefferson City, all the way down to Jonesboro here in Arkansas and Mountain Home. That'll be your slight risk. Our tornado risk, guys, is going to be anywhere from Mountain Home in Springfield, Missouri, all the way to Clarksville, Tennessee, to include Randolph County, all the way down to Jonesboro. For tomorrow, and I believe we are pretty much in the low end as far as Randolph County, but we'll take a look at that. Your wind risk, guys, let me pan this out. Anywhere from Santa Rosa, New Mexico, all the way to Aberdeen, going to Kansas City, all the way to Nashville. If you're in the brown, you guys will be in that 5% as far as your wind risk. Your 15% wind risk is going to be from Joplin all the way to Clarksville, and anywhere from Festus all the way to Jonesboro, Arkansas for tomorrow. That's a 15% wind risk. Your hail risk, anywhere from Santa Rosa, I believe, here in New Mexico, all the way to Aberdeen and going to Kansas City, and anywhere from Springfield, Missouri, to around Murray, Kentucky, you guys will be in that 5% as far as your hail risk. Let's go ahead and get to the model here, and we'll jet down here to around our area. And this is the 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. And we'll kind of just play the run for tomorrow. So expect tomorrow morning we'll have a batch of showers coming in through Randolph County around 5 a.m. And this is the 18Z. And expect that to go to about 9 a.m. and we'll have sporadic showers after that. The evening time, as far as your 2% tornado risk, I believe is going to be around the Poplar Bluff, southern part of Missouri, and northern part of Arkansas and Dyersburg, Tennessee. This is where I think you'll need to watch out for severe weather right now. We'll have a couple of these cells around Mountain Home pop up and around Poplar Bluff. So this is where I think if anything's going to happen, this is where it's going to be here in the southern part of Missouri and the northern part of Arkansas and the western part of Dyersburg, Tennessee, and probably right around Hopkinsville and Murray. Let me check real quick. You might have one around Paducah, Kentucky. So we'll keep an eye on that for tomorrow, because you know how things can shift, and we will have some storms pop off and around St. Louis around 10 in the northern part of Randolph County. But other than that, guys, we will have some showers tomorrow. As you can see, especially in the morning from 5 to about 9, maybe a little bit sporadic showers after that, and maybe clearing out about 7 p.m. So it's going to be a wet one tomorrow. If you guys are going to mow, get out there and mow right now. Other than that, it's going to be a wet one. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.